Taking a look at them here, we have two of them, the Rite in the Rain and the Surefire, that are push to use. That push once and the pen comes out, push again and it disappears. We have two of them, the Schrade and the Smith & Wesson, that need to be unscrewed and the cap comes off. Well, the Sharpie, the cap comes off. The Pico, the cap comes off. And then two of them, the Uzi and the Tom Anderson, are just always, the pen is just always out. And then of course the stylus has no writing instrument. They're all less than 7 inches, so we'll go through them real quick. The longest is the Alpha Innovations, which is right at 6 inches or so. Then we've got the Uzi coming in at just over 6 inches. Then we've got the Tom Anderson, which is coming in about 5.5 inches. Sharpie is coming in right around 5.5 as well. We've got the small Pico coming in at just 3 inches overall. We've got the Smith & Wesson at just over 5.5. The Schrade coming in at just about 6. The Surefire right over 5, just barely over 5. And then last up, the Rite in the Rain, again about 5.25. We'll go through their weights real quick. The Alpha Innovations stylus comes in at 0.4 ounces. The Tom Anderson, 1.4 ounces. The Surefire, 1.4. The Schrade, 1.6. The Rite in the Rain, 0.7. The Uzi, 0.16. The Pico, 0.2. Sharpie, 0.2. And then the Smith & Wesson at 1.4.